Hello everyone, it's me Anna again from Furnished Realty. Today I'm going to show you a unit at a low density service residence in Damansara. This mixed development service residence is Pelangi Damansara Sentral. Why is it low density? It's because there are only 193 units here. This unit has multiple views. It's facing the Bukit Utama Golf Club, and from here you can see Bukit Utama City Centre, Bangsar South, the golf course, forest view, and 9 Bukit Utama. If you look down from the window, you can also view the 24 by 8 meters infinity swimming pool. This unit is 1070 square feet, has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 car parks. It's the best unit here because it's the only unit that has quality, fully imported furnishings, and is tastefully renovated and decorated. We will start our house tour from the main entrance. The unit greets you with 2 shoe cabinets at the entrance. And as you enter, the first thing that you will see is the living room. Unlike the previous units that I have shown you earlier, this unit is designed according to the color red, which symbolizes love, passion, and energy. There is a 3-seater sofa, mahogany coffee table, TV cabinet, and study table. All furnishings and lightings are imported from Italy. Besides neighboring views that I have mentioned just now, this place is 5 minutes walk to Pelangi Astana MRT station, 2 minutes drive to IPC, The Curve, and IKEA, 4 to 5 minutes drive to One Utama, 4 minutes drive to Sunway Giza and Tropicana Gardens Mall, and it's just next to shop lots and restaurants. All windows are double glazed to remove all the noise that is coming from the traffic. The owner really spent a lot of time decorating this place as well. Then we have a quick look at the dining area. And next we move on to the master bedroom. Over here we have a king size bed with red bed sheet and pillowcases, and a nice wood flooring. There is also a cabinet with drawers and a big wardrobe here. The room is decorated with artificial flowers and dim lights. The windows here have the same facing as the living area, and therefore has the same view. All windows are double glazed as well to remove the noise from the traffic. The master bedroom is attached to the master bathroom. Let's have a look. This bathroom is big and spacious. You can hardly find a bathroom like this size anymore in a 2 bedrooms service apartment. As you can see, water heater is provided. You see, plenty of storage space for your clothes. Now let us take a look at the second bedroom. Similar to the master bedroom, this room can fit a king-size bed. It's a little bit smaller than the master bedroom, but still considered as a big room, don't you think? So this room is just on your right as you enter the unit from the entrance. More wardrobe space for your clothes. There's a common bathroom next to the dining and master bedroom. It's a very big bathroom too. Water heater is also provided for this bathroom. Lastly, we take a look at the kitchen. There is a dry and wet kitchen area for this unit. The kitchen comes with a large fridge and built-in top and bottom kitchen cabinets from France. This is the wet kitchen area. There is a small sink and a place to put your washing machine. A double gas stove is provided. The owner has covered up the wet kitchen area with windows for privacy purposes. You can open up the windows and on the exhaust fan when you are cooking. What do you think of this unit? If you are interested to rent this unit, please feel free to contact me, Anna, at 016-623-9933. For more property related videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, A Squad Property Channel. Thanks for watching.